Looking for a ready-to-occupy house or mga early turnover houses within Lumbia, Uptown, Cagayan de Oro? Worry no more. Hi guys, I'm back. This is Rep Corrine, your real estate kachika. So today, I'll be presenting the different subdivisions available within Uptown, Cagayan de Oro. Since we all know, in Uptown, it's already very booming, no? Nanado to ang mga malls, SM Mall, Gaisano Mall, and the schools. Xavier University will be moved to Uptown, Puhon. We have Corpus, Roseville, and we also have public schools. So, bibo na gyud siya na city within the city. It's normal gyud nga daghan pod mga tao nga gusto mo puyo within Uptown. First off, ang available dito if from mga ready to occupy or near turnover is we have La Aldea subdivision of Pueblo de Oro. So they have townhouses. You can also choose for bigger lots if you want extra lots. And if gusto kag mas barato-barato, we have Familia Verdes. It's still under Pueblo de Oro. And we also have Justin Heights subdivision, but I'm not sure if na sila ready to occupy, but naa sila single detached nga available nga ma-turnover possible around 1 to 2 years. So if you want bigger house, bigger lot, Justin Heights ako ma-recommend sa imo. And if you want another townhouse nga early po ang turnover, we also have Somerville 2 subdivision nga maagi ra siya from Gran Europa. Many options, many subdivision to choose from. You can just message me for more details about its computation, its financing, Pag-ibig and bank, its inventory. Okay, feel free to message me or contact the number below. So when's the best time to invest? It's now. Bye!